Hi guys, Steve here from Muscle Food, coming at you with a nice, quick, fast-paced HIIT workout for you to do today. This one's short, this one's intense, this one's for the convenience, so there is no excuse for why you cannot get your workout in every day. So what we're going to be doing today is a TABATA style workout. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, 6 rounds, going to be hitting it twice, non-stop work, full body. Let's get moving, let's get training. Okay, so in 20 seconds, we're gonna be hitting the first exercise. That's gonna be our push-ups, aiming for our arms and our chest muscles. Okay, so we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Okay, 20 seconds of push-ups. Okay, if you feel this exercise may be too tough and your form isn't working well enough, drop to your knees and push up like so. Okay, 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest 10 seconds. All right, you get a very, very short rest because in 5 seconds time, we're gonna be hitting the glute bridges. So, back on the floor, feet stay planted, line back, raise your hips, clench your glutes and hamstrings, and bring back down. 20 seconds. Very, very, very excellent exercise that everybody should do. Like so. Make sure you clench. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. We make sure we work the entire 20 seconds. Okay, next exercise is for our shoulder muscles on our core. We're gonna hit shoulder taps. So in push-up position, nice and slow, touching shoulders. Left hand to right shoulder, right hand to left shoulder. Core, working very hard. 10 more seconds. Try and make your hips stay as still as possible. 3 seconds till rest. And rest 10 seconds. That's a nice one for you. Okay, now it's time to get that heart rate high, and I mean high, because we're gonna hit high knees in 2, in 1, 20 seconds of high knees. Again, working the core, move your arms, get breathless. Keep your head looking straight, don't bend over. 10 more seconds. Come on, keep going. 5 seconds. 3, 2, all the way. 1, rest 10 seconds. Good job. Okay, next one's tough. We got 3 jump squats plus 3 plyometric lunges. In 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Straight to plyo lunges. 2, 3, and repeat. 1. 5 more seconds, all the way, all the way. And rest 10 seconds, good job. Okay, burpees are next. 5 seconds we go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Chest all the way down to the floor. Knees up, jump, repeat. Full body exercise. 10 more seconds. Keep going, rest is on its way. 3, 2, 1, rest 10 seconds. Halfway, we gotta do everything again. We go in 5, so we start with push-ups. In 3, 2, 1, let's go, let's get down, let's work. Make sure your back is straight. There's no coming up, there's no bending down like so. Parallel to the floor, 10 more seconds. Come on, stay with it, team. Nearly there. Push-ups are done. Now, push-ups are done. Good job. Okay, glute bridges. It's a good one to get your breath back. Let's lie on the floor. Feet stay planted. 20 seconds. Raise the hips, contract, bring down. Focus on your breath. This is an awesome time to get your breath back. Keep bringing it up. 5 more seconds. Work them hamstrings, work them legs, work them bum, and rest 10 seconds. Nice job. Okay, shoulder taps coming up. Right through here. Okay, back down we go. Rest is over. We go back on it. Right to left, left to right. Look at my hips. Try and keep them as still as possible. Focus. Tense that core. Think about the abdominals you want. You want to get strong. We got 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, rest. All right, high knees, time to get that heart rate going. Everything you got. 2, 1, let's do it. High knees. Drive them knees into your chest. Move your arms. Breathe. Heart rate. Oh, keep going. Come on, team. You want to get fit. You want to get strong. You have to stay with it. 5 seconds. Come on, everything you got. 3, 2, 1. High knees done. Doesn't get any easier. 3 jump squats plus 3 plyometric lunges in 5. 2, 1. Let's go. 2, 3. Think about your form. Look at my back. Fall straight into the lunges. How close is your knee getting to the floor? What is your form saying about you? Rest. 1 more to go. The big one, burpees. Empty the tank. We're going 5, 2, 1. See you at the end. 20 seconds. Come on. Everything. There's no point in not going as hard as you can. 10 seconds and it's done. Come on. 1 more burpee. And rest 20 seconds. Woo. That should get your heart rate going. You should be breathless like me. I'm struggling to talk to you right now because I put in the effort. And I hope you're struggling to talk in a good way right now as you put in the effort. That's what we want, okay? What did that workout say about you? Have you just finished your workout? Now straighten your phone like, okay, I'm ready for my day? Or are you like this? Knowing that you put in the effort. That's what we want. Guys, great workout if you stay with me the whole way. That's not easy, but the best thing is, it's over so fast. Workout's done for the day. I hope you have a fantastic day, or you've had a fantastic day whenever you're doing this training session. And I'm looking forward to training with you next time. I'll see you soon. Steve from Muscle Field. Goodbye.